Good morning, students. This is Mr. Smothers here, and I'm going to have a quick video for you just to kind of walk you through today. And you're looking at the screen here, Monday, October 5th. You are obviously right here at this time because you are listening to the video that's in the presentation, which is basically directions on what you need to do next. So after you watch this video, you should click right here, and this will be a PDF. I've already got it up, but if you click there, it's going to look like this right here, and it's going to download it, and it'll show up around this area here, and you'll pull it up, and it's going to be in PDF form though. When you pull it up, you will have all these questions to answer. And you can answer, obviously, a PDF. But what you could do is there's a couple of different ways to go about doing this. You could either pull out your composition book, spiral, whatever you want to call it, piece of paper, and write down 1 through just the numbers, 1 through 25. And then just simply answer these questions. Because there's no way to, like I said, no way to answer it on here. Another way would be to print it all out if you wanted to, and then just write on it. And then what you'll do next is this. Let's go back to the Canvas modules here. So you clicked here, you upload it, and you answer those questions, or download it, I guess. And you answer all those questions. And when you're done answering questions, I mean, there's a possibility that if you made 2 different screens, set up 2 different tabs, you have everything on one screen there. You could do it that way, but that might be a little tough. Probably the best method to use it over and over again is go ahead and print it out. If you don't have that access to a printer, no big deal. Just pull it up, answer the questions on paper, and then click right here. This is the part that's the grade. And what you'll do is you'll click here, and then this is what's going to come up. Now you'll notice not really number 1 because it just gives you a little bit of information there, but number 2 on down, all this is designed to do is grade yours, so there are no questions here. So again, you're going to have to use the PDF that we provided you, and all you'll do is come in here and answer each question. And then when you submit it, it'll grade it, and it'll tell you what your grade is. So if you'll do that today, hopefully there won't be any issues, and we'll be able to grade everybody's by the end of the day. That would be awesome. It does it for us, which is nice. So anyway, that'll kind of prepare you. And then tomorrow we'll have a different method for you to study for the DCA again. So good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.